तुमकां खबर आसतली आख्ख्या भारतान जे एक्स सर्विसमॅन आसा देर इज अ बीग प्रॉब्लेम फॉर एक्स सर्विसमॅन एज फार एज दी कॅशलेस फेसिलिटी इन एम्पेन्नल हॉस्पिटल इज कन्सर्न. सो जेन्ना हांव आतां रक्षा मंत्रीक मेळलो सो आय सेड सर I had given one letter to your issue. He said, नहीं. He said, I am feeling very sorry. वो problem हुआ, दोबारा वो problem नहीं होगा. He said, I read your letter. I said, sir, और एक मैं letter दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन इसमें suggestions है. इसमें सब suggestions है कि दोबारा ये problem ना आए. So immediately he called his staff, one ES officer. He said, please take note of all the suggestions to ensure this ECHS problem does not happen again. And he was very positive on that. So let's hope this problem across India is solved. Ex-servicemen with their family members can avail of cashless facility and Pendal Hospital.